If you're experiencing an increase in horsepower, your forages are not being processed to desirable length, or your knives are visibly worn, it may be time to consider replacing the knives on your Vermeer vertical mixer. Today, I'll be walking through the steps needed to complete this routine maintenance. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure that your engine speed is in low, your PTO is disconnected, and your tractor's parking brake is engaged. From here, fully lower the folding conveyor extension if your machine is equipped with it. Fully open the discharge door and move the hydraulic controls to neutral and shut off the tractor. Move the discharge door lock valve handle to the locked position and enter the tub through the discharge door. Make sure the knife blade covers are on your knives. This will protect your hands during the process. Remove the flange lock nuts and carriage bolts and detach the knife and blade backing plate from the screw. Make sure to keep the fastening hardware as you'll use it again for the new blades. Using the hardware, put the new knives and blade backing plates onto the screw. When you're done replacing your knives, climb back out of the tub and move the discharge door lock valve handle to the unlocked position. For further information, please refer to your operator's manual.